Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and some users have been reporting a weird behavior of their .NET framework following Patch Tuesday. And it's not everybody that will see it, but if you have been having errors that pop up that say cryptography or cryptographic exception errors in some of the software you might be using, it has to do with the .NET framework that seems to have a problem with a X509 certificate. So what's happening is that when the software, when the routines actually require the code for the .NET framework, it actually defaults into this error message, cryptographic exception. Now, if you have that error, there's a fix. Microsoft has issued fixes that can be downloaded from the Microsoft Update catalog. Now, this one, and there'll be a video for each version. So this is for Windows 11 21H2. If you're on 22H2, the next video will talk about that. And if you're on Windows 10 and have that error, you'll have a video also. So each version, depending on the version you have, we'll address that in each video. I'll post the link. So the link to these fixes will be down in the description. They will bring you to this page where you can update to version 4.8.1 or, depending on version you have, 4.8. Of course, it also addresses the 3.5 version, by the way. Now, when you get to this page and download the update, you go down the page and you'll see that there's Microsoft Update Catalog. You click on Microsoft Update Catalog and you'll see it brings you exactly to the download page. Yours, of course, for Windows 11 is X64, so you download that update and install it on your PC. And the other update is the same thing. You go down to the page, to the region where it says Microsoft Update Catalog. Click Microsoft Update Catalog. Once again, you're brought to this place. You download the fix. So these were issued 22 of June, 22nd of June, so you can download those. X64, of course, if you're on a PC. The other one is for ARM. Anyways, if you don't download the correct one, it will tell you it doesn't work. And this should fix your problem. So this one is for Windows 11 21H2. Very important. The fix for 22H2 is coming in the next video. So the links are in the description. If you have that problem, you got no problem, you have no problem at all, and everything works fine, you don't have to download this at all. It won't break anything, but you don't need to. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.